The event began with the staff from Book Bilong Pikinini arriving at Tatana village. The students came with papers colored in blue to show the color of the ocean and its importance. Parents came to witness the ceremony. Public Relations Dorothy Koch highlighted the reasons for organizing the event.
Teach them about the environment and also the ocean and how we can protect it. So we had three things that we wanted to highlight today, commemorating World Ocean Day. One is to teach the children about the ocean and the importance of it, and why we need to take care of the ocean. So we brought the children here to do mangroves tree planting.
Assistant librarian at the Tatana Learning Center, Guara Vagi, raised concerns over dumping along the shores by people living along the coast.
The importance of mangroves is where the fish breeds their eggs. It is very healthy for us to keep growing some mangroves along our seashores, because this generation has to know about the importance of the mangroves.
Mrs. Scott stated that this initiative will continue for years to come as it is part of the community initiative by the Book Bilong Pikinini group. We are here at the Tatana village to witness students from Book Bilong Pikinini planting mangroves to commemorate the World Ocean Day. Samantha Solomon, National EMTV News.